Welcome to Adapt Masterclass. Today we're going to talk about our new lineup. So let's start off with the first one in line, which is Superleggera. This skate started it all for the new Masterpiece collection, actually, I think now 4 years ago. And yeah, this year, again, we achieved another level on our Superleggera model. So let me run down a bit of the features it has and how it has changed from last year or the previous years. So first of all, it is the Superleggera Raw. What does Raw mean? So we developed actually a new surface coating for all our models. This skate comes out of the mold almost looking like this. So there is still a lot of sanding work that goes in it, but the idea behind it that it actually comes from racing. When you see a race bike or a car, they look very nice on screen, but when you go into detail, everything is purpose built. So everything is built to be used. This is the idea behind the Raw collection. So these skates or boots are made to be used. So the coating actually is very strong. If you would scuff it, it leaves a slightly white mark on it that you can actually remove just with a bit of this, and then it's gone. So pretty cool. Then the construction of the Superleggera, mostly the shell is the same as the previous years. Not the first one, but the previous years. We didn't really do any alterations towards dimensions because a lot of the customers were really happy how the skate responded. However, and this is also going to be new on the website, we did develop some things that we can adjust to the skate. So that's going to be where you mention it on the website during ordering one. If you have issues with the ankle or the bottom of your foot, we can help you making the skate already pre-set up for you. You still have to heat mold it, but the shell will be pre-set up for you. So we can make the ankle part wider to almost even 2 centimeters wider. If you have a high arch, we can help you with the insole, even angling within the skate. And we can also open this part up a bit. So you have, like, if you have a very high arch, you can step in very easy. Fully heat moldable skate. You can check out our heat mold video, instruction video for this. Next in line, we have the Superveloce Raw and we have the Superveloce Wizard, which is for 2024, the Wizard. Yeah. Very cool new features is something we're very proud of. The Superveloce has a brand new sole plate. It actually follows the design of the first Superveloce, but we still, we decided to still CNC machine the sole plate and to make it even more durable, more specialized. And this sole plate is amazing. The team really likes it. It's all CNC machined in the Netherlands, so it's very high quality. It will last a lifetime probably. So yeah, this is a part, yes, it is quite expensive, but yeah, if you look at the pricing, actually you will find out it's not that expensive. Yeah, because it's all fully CNC machined and our own plastic again. So it's very, very fast actually on grinds. So what about the boot? What did we change to the boot? They are all raw finish. That doesn't mean they don't look as good. No, it's a different mentality. So for the Wizard, we have an updated Wizard plate. So it is not really a sole plate. However, you're able to do stalls on it or small grinds if you want to. For us, it's more an overall finish. I don't really like when it's just the boot and then the frame. One thing is that if you mount the frame and it's UFS, there is like a cavity, there is a space between the UFS mounting and the boot. If you put pressure on this by tightening from aluminium, it actually can damage any carbon boot on the inside. So what we did is we provide a very thin WZRD plate, which is it's 2 millimeters, but it does have the UFS points where you can mount it on, so it fully flattens it. And then if you tighten up the frame, it doesn't give negative pressure on the hardware. So that's very important to understand. So for us, that's mechanical. It has to be 100% thought about and how it works. So that's very cool. So this is the Corse. So what we did is, this is based on a Superveloce mold. So it is the UFS mold, but then we had some adjustments made to have it fully fit for a quad skate. So the Corse actually is a low-cut Superveloce boot. It is cut right at the point of the ankle, and the reason is the ankle just goes a bit above here, and the reason for this is that you have a lot of movability. Something very cool, the toe protection. It is needed with a quad skate. It always makes me cringe a bit because I have not seen a nice design, to be honest, as in aesthetics or how it looks as a designer. So we take, I would say, great pride in actually making a toe protector that fits really well and is fully made per size on these models. And yeah, it actually flows with the lines, and it doesn't have any bolts. It's positioned on there with cohesive tape, just as a Superleggera. It is proven. So once it's on there, you really need to heat it up to get it off. So once it's on there, it stays there. The Pista. This is the daddy of speed skating. For this year, we use the same mold as the Superleggera, but it is a low-cut mold. It has a fully rebuilt lining inside. Raw model, raw finish, made for performance. New features on the Pista. So low-cut. It has a strap system that is mounted with the Quattro mount on the back. Very cool design, very lightweight. Has a 7075 aluminium holder. So yeah, just closes up like this. Then we have a very small tongue. It's very lightweight. So it's perfect when you have it heat molded, that it allows a lot of movement to the front. This is a really hardcore skate towards speed skating. So it has the raw logo on the back for protection, low cut in the back as well. So all movement is possible with this. If you're going first over the finish line, you can fully stretch out the skate. So that's very cool to see. So that's about it for our lineup for 2000. Wait, didn't we also develop a cycling shoe? Yes, we did. So say hello to the Strada. This is our fully designed from the ground up cycling shoe. Super lightweight. It is insane. I have to say, this is a development model. So we're still working on reshaping some parts of the boot. We will have options as protective layers. We're also refining the mounting positions. So at the moment we are still heavily testing. There's some people that are helping us test these models. But first feedback on these has been amazing. I would say most important is the comfort of this boot and the performance you get out of it, because it's a full carbon concept. Again, in the raw finish, but it has some very special features. So it doesn't have laces or a BOA system, and we did this for a reason. So a BOA system, it is a good system, but it only closes the top of the shoe. This system is actually fully going into the boot. So it's like, again, with our inline skates, it's a wrap around system. So when you close this down, it actually tightens up also on the bottom. That gives an immensely lock on your feet, and easy to, if you open it up once, easy to release a bit of the pressure, but again, tighten it up, and it's again like fully around the foot that it gives support. Yeah, again, it's fully made for you. If you have special needs, we can talk about this, of course, and adjust it for you. So that's, yeah, we're very proud to show you this boot. And if you're looking to get into a very high-end boot to match your high-end bike, Adapt is now also an option. Yeah, so we hope you're as excited as us to try these out.